Join us as we unravel the magic of AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages, a cutting-edge technology designed to transform your online experiences. From web development to storytelling, email communication, and advertising, AMP has something incredible to offer for everyone in the digital space. What is AMP? The Accelerated Mobile Pages project allows you to create mobile pages that load instantly, helping visitors better engage with the page instead of bouncing. The optimization techniques involved in creating AMP pages not only makes the page load time fast, but also gives visitors a good user experience. How do AMP websites work? Accelerated Mobile Pages, AMP, is an open-source project created to improve the performance of web pages for mobile devices. The project was spearheaded by Google and Twitter. The technology behind AMP enables lightweight pages that load more quickly for smartphone and tablet users. How AMP works for you? AMP meets you exactly where you are. Whether you're building a site from scratch, using a CMS, or optimizing an in-house solution, AMP can help. The benefits of AMP website: 1. Lightning speed. 2. Easy building. 3. Maintain flexibility. 4. Ensure performance. 5. Various web touchpoints. 6. Open web supported. CMS, WordPress, Next.js, 11T. AMP web stories. Immerse readers in visual and tappable stories they can share anywhere on the open web. The benefits of web stories: create beautiful and engaging content easily, creative flexibility for editorial freedom and branding, shareable and linkable on the open web, track and measure, fast loading times, immersive storytelling, robust advertising support. AMP emails. Send emails of the future with personalized dynamic content and interactive elements that engage readers. Use AMP to send interactive dynamic emails. The benefits of AMP email: increased in-mail capabilities, safe and secure consistency and scalability, increased personalization, interactive customer experience improved and smarter services. AMP ads, a faster way to grow your business. A growing number of publishers and advertisers are adopting AMP to deliver faster and more engaging content to their users. As your clients embrace the speed of AMP and more users consume content on AMP pages, ensure that your business is positioned for the future and integrate your technology with AMP. Speeding up ads is the fastest way to boost performance. The benefits of AMP ads: end-to-end experience is controlled, reduce complexity in your operations, collaborative community, measurable viewability, maximize your revenue, maximize your ROI. Read and explore more at AMP.dev. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of AMP, visit AMP.dev to read and explore more about this game-changing technology. Position your business for the future by embracing the speed and efficiency of AMP, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Thank you again for being part of the Martech Novera family. Let's keep this journey of discovery and innovation rolling together.